Finding the right gun vise for mounting your scope is essential for precision and stability. Hey there, my adventure crew. Welcome back to Huntscribe. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best gun vise for mounting scope that are making waves this year. Whether you're survival gear aficionado, huntastic, wilderness warrior, or outdoor equipment buff, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned marksman or a first-time shooter, the best gun vises offer a sturdy, adjustable platform for a hassle-free, accurate mounting experience. With features like secure grip, easy setup, and enhanced durability, these vises are designed to make your scope mounting process smooth and efficient. Ready to elevate your shooting setup? Let's dive into the top 5 best gun vises for mounting your scope. Love what you see? Grab these amazing products through the links mentioned below in the description while getting the best deals. Your purchase helps us keep bringing you awesome reviews. Let's begin with the number 5 product on our list is Tipton Best Gun Vise. The Tipton Best Gun Vise is truly a game changer for anyone serious about firearm maintenance. Its innovative L-shaped center support holds break-open guns firmly, while the quick-release cam blocks move independently to accommodate any stock shape. Have you ever struggled to find the right support for your firearm during cleaning or scope mounting? This vise easily handles bolt-action rifles, shotguns, handguns, and more with its versatile design. Made from non-marring, solvent-resistant polymer, it's built to last for years. The flat and round compartments are perfect for storing parts, screws, and even bottles. What's better? Its adjustable offset clamping mechanism ensures a tight grip on any buttstock. The Tipton Best Gun Vise makes cleaning and mounting scopes a breeze, offering unmatched stability and convenience. Why not upgrade your firearm maintenance setup with this top-tier vise? Your guns deserve the best. At number 4 is Tipton Ultra Gun Vise. As a gun enthusiast, I've always been on the lookout for tools that can help me maintain and clean my firearms with precision. The Tipton Ultra Gun Vise has quickly become an indispensable part of my gunsmithing arsenal. The first thing that struck me was the sturdy construction. The steel tube frame and non-marring, glass-filled nylon vise clamp construction ensure that your firearms are secure and protected during cleaning and maintenance. The adjustable clamp pads are incredibly versatile, allowing you to work on virtually any firearm, from handguns to long guns. The removable tool and accessory trays are a convenient touch, keeping everything you need within reach. The non-slip feet provide stability, ensuring that your vise stays put while you work. While this vise is a fantastic tool for gunsmithing, it's important to remember that it's not designed for shooting. Please use it responsibly and always follow safety guidelines. Overall, the Tipton Ultra Gun Vise is an excellent investment for any gun owner. It's durable, versatile, and easy to use. If you're serious about taking care of your firearms, I highly recommend this product. The third one on our list is Caldwell Lead. If you're a serious shooter, you know that a good rest can make a big difference in your accuracy. The Caldwell Lead Sled is one of the best shooting rests on the market. This heavy-duty rest is built like a tank. It weighs 24 pounds and can hold up to 100 pounds of lead shot not included. This weight helps to dampen recoil and vibration, resulting in more consistent shots. The adjustable front and rear rests allow you to customize the height and angle of the rest to fit your shooting style. The non-marring rubber feet keep your firearms secure and protected. The lead sled is easy to set up and adjust. The knobs are conveniently placed, and the adjustments are smooth and precise. Once you have the rest dialed in, you can focus on your shooting. Whether you're a target shooter or a hunter, the Caldwell Lead Sled is a great investment. It will help you shoot more accurately and consistently. On number 2 is Real Avid Vise. I've always been a bit of a DIY enthusiast, and when it comes to gunsmithing, having the right tools is crucial. The Real Avid Master Gun Vise has quickly become my go-to tool for all my firearm projects. The first thing that struck me was the versatility of this vise. The ball and socket joint allows for infinite positioning angles, making it easy to work on any part of your firearm. The integrated leveling knob is a game-changer, ensuring that your scope mounting is always precise. The vise is incredibly sturdy and can handle even the most demanding projects. The high-torque locking mechanism keeps your firearm securely in place, allowing you to work with confidence. The fast-adjust hand crank and speed cam lever make it easy to quickly adjust the vise to different positions. The non-marring jaws protect your firearm's finish, while the removable accessory tray keeps your tools organized. If you're serious about DIY gunsmithing, the real Avid Master Gun Vise is an investment that will pay off. It's a high-quality, versatile, and durable tool that will make your projects easier and more enjoyable. Now moving to the last one is TECK gun pliers. As a gun enthusiast, I've always been on the lookout for tools that can help me maintain and clean my firearms with precision. The TECK gun pliers have quickly become my go-to tool for all my gunsmithing needs. The first thing that struck me was the versatility of this tool. The adjustable gun clamps and accessory trays allow you to work on virtually any firearm, from handguns to long guns. The non-destructive rubber-wrapped contact pads protect your firearm's finish, while the sturdy construction ensures that your gun is securely held in place. The integrated leveling knob is a game-changer. It allows you to fine-tune the angle of your firearm, making it easier to clean, inspect, and maintain. The detachable accessory trays keep your tools organized and within reach, making your work more efficient. Whether you're a seasoned gunsmith or a beginner, the TECK gun pliers is a valuable tool that will help you keep your firearms in top condition. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best gun vise for mounting scope. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.